joined by Humphrey Hale, CEO of Carnavale Resources. Humphrey, thanks for your time.
Thanks, David.
WA's the focus. Two really interesting projects. Let's start with the first, Kilkini. What attracted you to it and what excites you about it?
Well, Kilkini is an unusual spot to be exploring 3 years ago, let's say, but now it's quite a destination. We've got a number of neighbours that are high profile, looking at Genesis and Raleigh Finlayson's new venture coming in, replacing Mike Fowler. They've done a terrific job bringing those tenements together in their discovery at Puzzle. But our interest was on the ground next to the pub, which was undercover and hadn't been explored really very well at all. And we saw real opportunity to find high-grade dirt similar to the Cosmopolitan style, so targets of 150,000 ounces, 300,000 ounces at maybe 15 to 30 grams. That was our target. So that's what attracted us.
That was the target. What did you find?
Well, we found the grade. Our biggest hit in the RC just recently was 16 metres at 21 grams. So we're on target with grade, and certainly the widths are even bigger than a historical stuff. But it took a little bit to unpick. We did 3 rounds of air core, we did soil sampling, we did aeromag, and we discovered that there's a depleted zone over the top, and there's various alluvial plumes and things like this. So the detailed drilling, the staged exploration has led us into these high-grade shoots, which we're very pleased to find. And we'll be back there in March with the RC rig again.
As you say, when you went out in the area drilling and exploring, it was a pretty lonely place to be. There wasn't many people out there, but now the neighbourhood is jam-packed with big players, with deep pockets who are doing a lot of work. How important is it to be following and watching what they're doing?
Oh, very important. I think their discoveries demonstrate the value of the ground and what can be found. Kilkini is delivering great results for a number of players as well as us, and that's good. On top of that, of course, we would be in the place to market our opportunity when we've discovered resources that are big enough to sort of start to look at processing, if you like. Genesis are 10 k's up the road, but notwithstanding that, Ramelius have shown that you can truck high-grade ore over 300 kilometres, and with their acquisition at Penny West at $650 an ounce, that's strong numbers for what we're trying to do.
And looking forward, what's the plan?
Well, looking forward, we've got Kilkini, which we're working on currently, we've just recently finished the drilling and produced some high-grade zones that dip southerly, similar to all the other ones, and we'll be back in March to do the RC. And we've got another project at Oribanda that we're working on right now.
Touching on Oribanda, it's an earlier stage, but nonetheless very exciting project. What's been the latest there?
Oribanda is another well-known district in the West Australian goldfields. Lots of drilling and lots of exploration has happened in the local area. However, we have a package of a sedimentary basin. So you've got the Black Flag Group sediments up against the Corrawong conglomerates with the Carnage shear bashing through it for 15 k's. And that is not a popular exploration target. Well, not until 2012. In 2012, Goldfields discovered the fabulous Invincible mine, and that's currently in excess of 2.5 million ounces at plus 4 grams. That's our target, again, undercover. We've done a first round of air core there and completed that last year with sensational numbers. We did wide space drilling, 80 metre centres on lines that were 250 metres, a kilometre apart, and got hits, 4 metres 8 grams, 4 metres at 5 grams, multiple plus gram hits. And our expectation was only to find geochem anomalies at 0.2. So we're really pleased with that, and we're back there as of yesterday drilling for probably a month with 12,000 metres, which looks like it could be amazing.
All of this costs money, well funded?
We just recently raised $2.64 million. Our directors put in $400,000 of that, which is a great thumbs up from the company board. We had $2 million at the end of December, and we have $2 million worth of options that strike 1 cent that will expire at the end of July, and we're trading 1.2. So well funded to do these programs and more.
Two very interesting projects that have already delivered results, primed to deliver more results in 2022 and beyond. Well funded, exciting times ahead. Humphrey, thanks for your time.
Thank you, Dave.